explored. This particular project begun formally 5 years ago. Capsule built back in 2008. Suit finished in 2009. Then the next year in 2010, there were wind tunnel tests and bungee jumps for technique, figuring out how to jump off, try to free fall at the highest speed possible with the safest method too, the safest posture for that jump. Then there were preliminary jumps already back then in 2010. 2011 continued with tests in pressure chambers, simulating the maximum altitude, done at Brooks City Base in Texas. Leading up to those two jumps earlier this year, Baumgartner's jump in March of 71,000 feet and his jump in July of 96,000 feet. So that ascent has slowed now. It's about half of the earlier ascent rate of 1,000 feet a minute. That's because of that thin air up there and the differential